Man, this one right here is going to be a great one, man. Lucky episode number 7, man. Lucky episode number 7, man. Let me jump right into it, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, man. But we back at it again. As you can see right now, we're up $45. I have some videos that's going to be tagged in the second half of the video that's going to show the framework and how I actually got into the trades and held in the price action and actually managed the trade to get to this point, man. But coming out of London session, man, Tuesday, April 9th, we at $118, man. Oh, man, we're looking at 120, man. We back at it. We back at it, man. I know y'all remember when we was just at 116, man, up 111%. And we blew it, man. We blew it because we were unprofessional. We acted upon a lot of bad habits, a lot of bad nuances, a lot of bad characteristics. But we back at it again, man. Showing resiliency, showing that we can accomplish this, showing that we're not giving up, man. Back against the wall. We thrive in this type of environment. And as you can see, the results speak for themselves, man. So as you recall, we was up about 116% at our all-time high. And then we had a bad day. Well, not bad day. We had a streak of bad days, and we burned the account all the way down to about $10. We had a federal day where, I refunded the account, got it back down, got it back even, and it was actually about $45. So right now, we a complete 100% return on the account, man. Looking very good, man. And the way that I was able to get this is, I'm just going to show y'all the way that I was able to get this, man. Just coming into from the price action that we had yesterday, as we showed yesterday video, episode 6, that we had a buy coming from yesterday, right? So with the buy coming from yesterday, we had lingering price action that still supported the buy because we had some liquidity to the upside. The liquidity pool that was on the upside was our previous week's high, and our previous week's high was hit at 126.80, and that was our actual target. So right now, as you can see, we just sitting in profit with it. And off that bullish momentum, I just kind of waited till our 3 a.m. opening to see what price was going to do. And as price started to gradually push itself up, I took entry, sat through the storm, and then we finally got our push and our pop. As you can see, this is where we at. Okay, so we had in between 3 a.m., 4 a.m., right? We had lows created to where the price after 4 a.m. came back to retrace. At 4:30, respect it, and continue to push up, okay? And as you can see, as time going, 5 o'clock, 5:30, we have these pinpoint movements to keep us pushing up. And now to where we've arrived and made a high around 6 a.m., which is a typical scenario, okay? And we're looking good, man. We're looking good. Just to kind of, give a quick little run through. And then I'm going to have the sped up versions of the actual trade management and trade entering, recording a live trade on the second half of this video, man. So again, man, we back at it again, man. I'm just showing y'all that this is possible, man, on the journey from $50 to 10K, man. It's your boy, Rich Off the Stream. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, man. And the next segment would definitely be explaining how I actually got into these trades, why I got into these trades, and how to actually, manage your trade to become better. But like I said, man, this is your boy, Rich Off the Stream. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, man. Tap in for the next video, episode 8 coming up, man. We back at it. Bow.